Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TP-Link Wi-Fi router password if forgotten. Let's get started. If you've forgotten the password to your TP-Link Wi-Fi router, don't worry, it happens to everyone. The only way to regain access is to reset the entire router to its original factory settings. This process will erase all your custom settings, including your current Wi-Fi name and password, so you'll need to set everything up again from scratch. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you need to perform a factory reset. Locate your TP-Link router and find the small reset button. This button is usually on the back or bottom of the device, often recessed in a tiny hole. You will need a straightened paperclip or a similar thin object to press it. With the router powered on, press and hold this reset button down for at least 10 seconds. You'll see the router's lights flash, indicating it's restarting. Release the button and wait a full minute or two for the router to completely reboot and restore its factory default settings. Now, with the router reset, you need to connect to it to set a new password. Your router is now broadcasting its default Wi-Fi network. Grab a phone, laptop, or tablet and go into its Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default network name, which is usually something like TP-Link_XXX, and is printed on a sticker on the router itself. Connect to this network. It will not require a password at this stage. Once connected, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar at the top, type in the router's default web address, tp-linkwifi.net, and press Enter. This will take you to the router's login page. You will now need the default login credentials. For most TP-Link routers, the default username is admin, and the default password is also admin. Type these in lowercase and click Login. You are now inside the router's administration panel. Look for the wireless or Wi-Fi settings menu in the sidebar on the left and click on it. Within the wireless menu, you should see an option for wireless security. Click on that. This is where you can set your new secure password. On the wireless security page, you will see a field for the wireless password, passphrase, or network key. This is where you create your new Wi-Fi password. Delete any existing text in this box and type in your brand new strong password. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After typing your new password, scroll down and find the Save or Apply button. Click it to save your new settings. The router may take a moment to apply the changes, and your device will likely disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Finally, go back to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer. You will now see your Wi-Fi network listed, but it will be secured. Select your network and enter the brand new password you just created to connect. All your other devices, like smart TVs and tablets, will also need to be reconnected using this new password. Now, while changing your router password is a crucial first step for your local network security, it only controls who can access your Wi-Fi. For complete online security and privacy for all the devices connected to that Wi-Fi, you need a different layer of protection. This is where a VPN, virtual private network, becomes essential. A VPN encrypts all the internet traffic coming from your phone, laptop, or any device, creating a secure tunnel that protects your data from hackers, your internet service provider, and snoopers on public networks. It also masks your real IP address, giving you more privacy online. After securing your home network with a strong password, using a VPN is the best next step to protect your digital life. When choosing a VPN, you want a service that is reliable, fast, and trustworthy. NordVPN is widely recognized as one of the best VPNs on the market. It offers top-tier encryption, a strict no-logs policy that has been independently audited, and a massive network of high-speed servers perfect for streaming, browsing, and gaming without slowdowns. It's an excellent tool to use alongside your newly secured Wi-Fi. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.